Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up, plus up.
So for today's video, as you can see in the title, I will be doing a mushroom fairy makeup look. So a lot of stuff has been going on with school, so I'm not kind of consistent in uploading, but I'm actually trying my best to do so because I want to do this, I want to share with you some creative looks that I do oftentimes I'm free. And for today's video, I will be using stuff YesStyle sent me for the 2021 Pantone makeup campaign, and I will be using all of these products for my looks and some products that I bought from Shopee. So if you want to see this stuff, and if you want to see how I will transform myself into a mushroom fairy, please keep on watching. So before we start, we're gonna use moisturizer. Make sure to always prepare your face. So I'm gonna use a mist. Pretty and useful primer is the one from Face Lady. So this is 200 pesos for 30 ml, which is not a bad deal. It's kind of big. So just a few pumps, around one. I think one pump is enough to cover your whole face. So we're done prepping our skin, and now we're off to our foundation. My foundation is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 225 medium beige. The trick to blend your makeup really well is to use a brush before you use the beauty blender, because in that way your foundation will have an airbrush finish. Now that I'm done putting on my foundation and dabbing it with a damp sponge, I am going to correct my eye bags and then put on a concealer. So this is the Everbilena liquid concealer in the shade medium for my corrector, because it kind of has a peach reddish undertone, and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. So I'm just going to put it on the areas that needs kind of correcting. The places that often needs correcting are the areas on your face that's kind of dark, appears really violet, black type of thing, or brown, and also your pimples that has dried up and left a scar in your face. It is very effective to correct them before actually putting on concealer on them. Make sure that you dab the product in your face, not swipe it, because you want to put the product in your skin and not on your sponge. Right after putting on concealer, you have to bake your face. So I'm going to use a dry beauty blender. It is not damp. It has not been in water. And I'm going to use my Face Lady loose finishing powder to bake my face. We don't need a lot, just a minimal amount. So while I'm baking my face, I am up to putting on my brows, and this is the RiRe, I don't know, Fork Eyebrow Tint in the shade Gray Brown. One of the products that YesStyle sent me, and it's kind of cute because it has 4 strokes on top. It cannot focus. but we're going to do our brows. So for my eyes, I'm going to use this Rev de Paris, a moonshot, and I'm just going to use these two shades over here, and I'm going to make it appear like it's a mushroom color, so I'm not going to put much pigment, only a minimal pigment will do. And then I'm going to use the Savannah Colors Iconic Pro palette, and I'm going to get this shade of... I'm going to get this greenish shimmer. I don't know. I'm just going to get that and put shimmer on my lids. So my eyes are done, kind of. I am going to proceed now to contouring my face. And for contour, I'm going to use this Sculpt and Strobe Stick from Ever Belena in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to contour my face. So I'm actually done with the basics of my face. Now we're on to doing our blush before we proceed to doing some details on our face. So for our blush, I'm going to use this single blusher, the Saemmul. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm going to use it as my blush. So for our blush, we're going to start off with the middle. We have to compose a big pack of blush here in the middle, going outwards right over here. So we are going to avoid the eye bags because we're going to put eyeshadow on that later. So we're just going to put at least more like 6. Wow! Okay, I'm shocked. It smells so good! It smells like a very expensive perfume. I like it! It smells so great! I'm shocked, actually. It really smells good, okay? It has certain fallouts, but not too many. And let's see the pigment on this one. Okay, that's too pigmented. So we had a whole pack here in the middle. So believe me, trust the process. So we're done with our blush, and now we're going to do some detailing. And for our detailing, I'm going to use these stuff. This is the nail decor. I'm going to put on my face, and then this black rouge glitter, eye glitter. But before that, I'm going to put on I got these eyeliners from Shopee. I'm just going to put some details. Now that we're actually done with the details, as you can see, we are now going to proceed to our highlighter and mascara. So I'm going to use this TSUVIMI, I don't know how to pronounce it, from YesStyle. And it's a white mascara. I'm not going to put on any false eyelashes because there's magic going on with this mascara. It has thin bristles, which is actually good. It doesn't clump all of the products on it. And it's easy to glide. Make sure to put on top of it as well. So if you're going to compare my eyelashes here, it got longer, which is actually good. It got longer. And it kind of smells fruity at some point. It kind of smells fruity. So this part is kind of tricky because I will be putting on some small details with my lash glue and my... So I need a smaller mirror. So I'm going to use these tweezers. And I just put, you know, a sun and the moon on the sides of my eyes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put on these glitters. So I'm going to use it as a liner on top of my eyeliner over here. And now we are going to do my favorite part of the things that YesStyle sent me, and that would be the Prism Air highlighter by CLIO Professional. It has a very pretty packaging, and the ridges, it's very beautiful. So I'm just going to swoop in my brush. Wow, that's a lot of pigment right there. And I'm going to put it on top places. This is the Zero Velvet Tint in the shade Deep Soul. So I also got this from YesStyle. And I'm just going to put it in the middle. We're going to create an ombre effect. This is not yet the final look. I'm just going to adjust some parts of it that needs adjusting, and then I'm going to put the rest of my props such as contact lenses and the likes, and then I'll be back with the montage and the end clip of this video.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
So that is it. I cannot see a certain thing on my screen. It's actually very foggy and very blurry because of this contact lenses. I got this contact lenses from Shopee as well. So this is the final look. This is a mushroom fairy with a twist of eyeliners, because I really can't go on looks without eyeliners. I'm really sorry, but this is the look. I got these ears from Shopee as well, and I colored the tip of my elf ears with the blush that I used on my face to complement my look. And I just don't have the fairy wings, but yeah, this is the final look. If you want to know and if you want to see more of stuff like this and some transformations of any kind, make sure to follow me on my social media sites down below. If you're going to avail something from YesStyle, please use my code EXNDGMA16, and then stay safe and awesome. See you on my next video. Bye!